Hey mates, how is life behind bars? Oh, can't wait to get out this weekend. I'm gonna quickly throw this together, get it edited, get it onto YouTube so you see us for the weekend. Yet again, I've changed the configuration of my bike. I've stuck on a couple of D3 driving spots. I've put my old D2s back on, but I put some amber lenses on there. And obviously I've still got my killer D7s, which sometimes I like to put the black cover on them as well. It looks a bit mean, but if I know I'm gonna be doing some night riding, well then I'll take the covers off so I've got maximum full beam at night time on the country lanes from my D7s. What I've done here, because I just want to show you and so you understand exactly how I've configured it, because remember, I've got two EasyCans running this. They're actually Denali Can Smarts. Same thing, EasyCan, Can Smart, it's the same products in your hand. So I've got 8 circuits that I'm playing with for this. Now the reason I need those 8 circuits is because of this. If I quickly run through with you that I've got 1 circuit powering my amber DMs, I've got 1 circuit powering my D3s, just 1 circuit. I've got 1 circuit powering my D7s. I've got 2 circuits powering my emblems, and then I've got 1 circuit powering my rear light. Now if I wanted to, I could run 2 circuits to the D3s, and I'd only do that if I wanted the D3s to turn off on the respective side when I indicate. But because they are so far away from the indicators, and I've got an indicator there on my emblem, I don't care too much about it. So I'm gonna save myself a circuit and just wire them up to 1 circuit. So when I indicate left and right, I can't make the left and right go out on the respective side. I can make them both go out, but I don't like that. That's the old Gen 1 feature. So they're on their own 1 circuit. But what I have done to make this really, really bespoke is I've programmed the daytime settings and the nighttime settings to be completely different. I'll show you right now that the daytime setting, I don't care about these white lights coming on. I don't need them. I don't need to see down the road because the sun's out. I can see exactly where I'm going. But I want to be seen. I want to be seen by those drivers who are about to pull out on me. So I want these amber D2s to be sparkling like hell. I want everyone to see them in the daytime. So I've got them coming on during the daylight. Now, if I cover up the screen, you'll now see I'm trying to trick the bike that it's now nighttime, we've gone through a tunnel, or it's literally the evening, and automatically the amber D2s go out because it's now in nighttime mode. The headlights changed here because the bike canvas knows it's nighttime mode. And because the canvas knows it's nighttime mode, the EasyCans and the Can Smart read that canvas data instantly and tells the D2s to turn off because that's what I've asked it to do. And then the D3s come on, which now gives me a driving light so I can see further down the road. Okay? I've then programmed these to be off all the time because I don't want them to be on. But obviously for full beam, I can have them coming on. And same again, during daytime, although I've had these turning off during daytime, I can actually have these coming on for full beam. So if I hit my flasher during the day, these will still come on full beam and the ambers will stay on. If I wanted to, I could program these ambers to flash either side if I wired them up to 2 circuits, remember, because we can do that. So if I put a circuit to the left and a circuit to the right, and then I select flash instead of off for when I indicate, I can ask the left one to actually indicate with the bike's indicator. But I don't want to have that because I've already got an indicator there, I've got an indicator there. I'm happy with that. I just want these as like a marker, like the OEM fog light you get with the bike. This is like a marker, so we are seen all the time from both sides. The other thing I want you to notice is the really cool carbon fiber air, what are they called? Air flutes. Air flutes? Air flaps? Air flutes. I think they're called air flutes. These pans on the side. I've had these in stock for a while and they haven't really been selling that much. I think it's because they're super expensive, but really, really sets the bike off. So I thought I'd get quite a few in stock and just mention it in this video to see what you think of my carbon fiber flutes on the side here, my air flutes. So that's basically a quick rundown, dirty explanation of my latest configuration and how this is actually really optimized for my own personal riding situations. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up, leave a comment. What sort of configuration do you want on your bike? I'll put links down below to all the items on here so you can see what it would look like in a shopping basket if you wanted this sort of configuration for yourself. Till next time, stay safe behind bars and I'll see you in the next video.